Shadows. Today I'm going to have something. What's it called again? Pork with salted egg. Zongzi. Glutinous rice dumpling wrapped in bamboo leaves with pork and salted egg filling. Yeah, that. First things first. Gotta boil some water. We're gonna need a pot. I hope this is big enough. I can feel that there's two in here, so I don't know. I think I do have a bigger pot, so let's just use that one. I'm gonna grab the biggest one I got. When I put the water in, I'm gonna have to make sure it covers the whole dumplings. Let's put this back in there. Now, I have to pour it in here. And then bring it to the stove. Ooh, that's a lot of water. So turn this on. Once that starts bubbling, I can finally add the dumplings. It won't take long. However, the cooking process is like 30 minutes. Ooh, yucky. Yes, I was right, there is two in here. What I have to do is boil these for half an hour. Alright, it's starting to bubble. I'm scared this is gonna splash in my hand. I'm gonna use this. Ooh. Cute. And I have this little thing. The steam can escape through here. Put that here. It kind of stops it from like over boiling. Yeah, just leave it as it is and we'll see how it turns out.
Many minutes later.
It should be ready now. Turn this off. Now I have to drain these. Wow. Oh boy, it's gonna be really hot. Wow, steamy. That's yummy. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes before I eat it. I feel like if I eat these right away, it's gonna burn my gums off. Ta-da! I always open it over the sink because 90% of the time it just goes. Ooh! Ooh, nice! Success! Let's see if I can get to the salted egg bit. Oh my god, ooh, the rice is sticking to my teeth. Wow, it's really stuck on my tooth. But it tastes amazing. Here's the pork bit. Wow, I didn't know it was going to be this good. The meat is so tender. I found the salted egg yolk. I'm not a fan of the yolk bit though. It's kind of like crumbly. That pork though. Whew, that hit the spot. If I knew it was going to be this good, I would have bought another packet. Sorry. Wait, I think I ate all the pork bits. I just see the egg now. I should have saved it. Oh, no. I see a bit here. Over here is the juicy fatty bit.